Imagine diving into the open ocean. Beneath the waves, a group of dolphins glides effortlessly through the water. Suddenly, the silence is broken by a rapid series of clicks, whistles, and buzzing sounds. To us, it may sound like random noise, but to dolphins, these sounds are part of one of the most sophisticated communication systems in the animal kingdom. For decades, scientists have studied dolphin communication, hoping to answer one fascinating question: do dolphins have a language? While researchers are careful not to claim dolphins use language exactly like humans do, evidence shows they communicate in surprisingly complex ways. They can identify one another by unique whistles, coordinate hunts with remarkable precision, recognize old companions after decades apart, and even modify their calls depending on the situation. Today, we're diving into the incredible science behind the secret language of dolphins. What makes dolphins so intelligent? Before understanding how dolphins communicate, it's important to understand why they're capable of such advanced behavior. Dolphins belong to a group of marine mammals called cetaceans, which also includes whales and porpoises. Over millions of years, they evolved large brains, complex social lives, and exceptional learning abilities. Unlike many animals that live mostly solitary lives, bottlenose dolphins spend much of their lives in social groups called pods. These pods may include a handful of individuals or more than 100 dolphins, depending on the species and environment. Living in close-knit societies requires cooperation. Dolphins work together to find food, protect one another from predators, care for calves, and navigate vast stretches of ocean. Such cooperation depends on reliable communication. Scientists believe these social demands help shape the remarkable intelligence dolphins display today. A world built on sound. Unlike humans, dolphins cannot rely on vision alone. Water absorbs light quickly, especially in deep or murky environments. Sound, however, travels almost 5 times faster in water than in air. Because of this, dolphins experience their world primarily through sound. Instead of speaking with words, dolphins produce an impressive range of vocalizations. Researchers generally classify these sounds into 3 main categories: whistles long, smooth tones used mainly for communication between dolphins; clicks short, rapid sounds used for echolocation, allowing dolphins to see with sound; burst pulse sounds, rapid sequences of clicks often associated with excitement, social interactions, or competition. Each sound serves a different purpose, creating a communication system far richer than scientists once imagined: the discovery of signature. Whistles. One of the biggest breakthroughs in dolphin research came when scientists noticed something unusual. Individual dolphins repeatedly produced a very specific whistle pattern. At first, researchers assumed these whistles simply expressed emotion. But after years of observation, another explanation emerged. Each dolphin develops its own unique whistle during early life. This whistle functions much like a personal name. Scientists call these signature whistles. Unlike human names assigned by parents, young dolphins gradually create their own signature whistle while growing up, sometimes influenced by sounds made by their mothers. Once established, that whistle remains remarkably stable throughout life. Whenever dolphins become separated from their pod, they often repeat their signature whistle. Instead of saying, "hello," they're essentially announcing, "I'm here." Dolphins call each other by name. The story becomes even more fascinating. Researchers conducted playback experiments in which recorded signature whistles were played underwater. When dolphins heard the whistle of a familiar companion, they often responded by swimming toward the sound or producing the matching whistle. Even more remarkable, dolphins generally ignored unfamiliar whistles. This suggests dolphins recognize individuals by their unique vocal signatures, rather than simply reacting to any whistle. Some studies even found dolphins remembered companions they had not encountered for more than 20 years. Among non-human animals, this represents one of the longest social memories ever documented. Seeing with sound communication is only part of the story. Clicks allow dolphins to perform one of nature's most extraordinary abilities, echolocation. When a dolphin produces rapid clicks, sound waves travel through the water and bounce off nearby objects. The returning echoes reveal an astonishing amount of information. Scientists believe dolphins can estimate distance, direction, size, shape, movement, surface, texture, internal structure of some objects. To dolphins, echoes create a detailed acoustic picture of their surroundings. This ability allows them to hunt even in complete darkness or murky water, where vision becomes almost useless. Some researchers compare dolphin echolocation to a highly advanced biological sonar system. Teamwork beneath the waves. Communication becomes especially important during hunting. Different dolphin populations have developed unique cooperative hunting techniques. In some coastal regions, dolphins surround schools of fish by swimming in circles. Others slap the water with their tails to confuse prey. Near muddy shorelines, dolphins may create rings of mud that trap fish inside a shrinking circle. As frightened fish leap from the water, dolphins catch them effortlessly. These hunting strategies require perfect timing. Researchers believe dolphins coordinate these behaviors through whistles, body movements, and underwater sounds. Although scientists are still studying exactly how information is shared during these hunts. More than sounds. Dolphins don't communicate using sound alone. Body language plays an equally important role. A leap above the water may signal excitement. Tail slaps can serve as warnings. Jaw claps may communicate aggression. Gentle rubbing between dolphins often strengthens social bonds. Even swimming positions provide information. Mothers and calves maintain close contact through synchronized movements. Friends frequently swim side by side. Dominant individuals display confident postures during encounters with rivals. Just as humans combine speech with facial expressions and gestures, dolphins combine sounds with physical behavior. Do dolphins have dialects? Human communities often develop regional accents. Scientists have discovered something surprisingly similar among dolphins. Groups living in different regions sometimes produce noticeably different whistle patterns. These variations appear to spread through learning rather than genetics. In other words, young dolphins learn local communication styles from the pod around them. Researchers describe this as cultural transmission. Just as humans pass down traditions, dolphins may also pass down communication habits from one generation to the next. This idea has transformed how scientists think about animal culture. Mothers teaching their young communication begins almost immediately after birth. Newborn calves stay close to their mothers for years. During this time, mothers constantly whistle, guide, protect, and teach them. Young dolphins spend years observing adults. They gradually learn hunting techniques, social rules, predator avoidance, group behavior, communication patterns. Scientists believe this extended childhood is one reason dolphins become such skilled communicators. Learning takes time, and dolphins invest years developing these essential life skills. Can dolphins understand grammar? This question remains one of the biggest mysteries. Some studies suggest dolphins can understand ordered sequences of signals during controlled experiments. Researchers have shown that trained dolphins can respond differently depending on the order of gestures. For example, changing the sequence of commands can lead dolphins to perform entirely different actions. While impressive, scientists caution against concluding that dolphins possess human-like grammar. Current evidence supports complex communication and learning, but it does not prove dolphins have a language equivalent to human speech. More research is still needed. Technology is revealing new clues. Modern research tools are transforming dolphin science. Hydrophones placed underwater can record thousands of dolphin sounds over long periods. Artificial intelligence now helps researchers identify recurring patterns that humans might overlook. Some scientists hope machine learning could eventually reveal hidden structures within dolphin communication. Although decoding dolphin communication remains an enormous challenge, technology is bringing us closer than ever before. Each year, new discoveries expand our understanding. Threats to dolphin communication. Unfortunately, dolphins face a growing problem. The oceans are becoming much noisier. Cargo ships, naval sonar, offshore construction, and industrial activity create underwater noise pollution. These sounds can interfere with dolphin communication. Important whistles may become masked by engine noise. Mothers and calves may struggle to stay in contact. Hunting coordination may become more difficult. Scientists continue studying how chronic noise affects dolphin populations worldwide. Protecting healthy oceans means protecting the soundscape dolphins depend on every day. Why dolphin communication matters. Studying dolphin communication isn't only about dolphins. It helps scientists understand how intelligence evolves. It challenges assumptions about what makes communication unique. And it reminds us that humans are not the only species capable of maintaining complex social relationships through sophisticated signals. Every new discovery changes our perspective. The ocean is not silent. It is filled with conversations we are only beginning to understand. Conclusion. The secret language of dolphins remains one of nature's greatest mysteries. We now know that dolphins recognize one another through unique signature whistles, communicate using a rich combination of sounds and body language, cooperate during hunts, teach their young, and maintain social memories lasting decades. Yet many questions remain unanswered. Could dolphins share information in ways humans have not yet discovered? Might future technology finally reveal patterns hidden within thousands of underwater conversations? Scientists continue searching for answers, and each new study reminds us how extraordinary life beneath the waves truly is. The next time you see dolphins leaping across the ocean, remember this. Beneath the surface, an invisible world of clicks, whistles, and echoes is unfolding. A world where every sound may carry meaning, every whistle may identify a friend, and every conversation brings us one step closer to understanding one of Earth's most intelligent animals. If you enjoyed exploring the science behind dolphin communication, don't forget to subscribe for more research-based animal discoveries. Every week, we uncover the fascinating stories hidden within the natural world, one species at a time.